Hello guys, since WhatsApp hacking has become more rampant these days, it's very essential to secure it from hackers or scammers who want to take over your WhatsApp account and use your contact to what? To steal money from you. So stay tuned with me as I show you the 5 ways to secure your WhatsApp account. This is very important. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone so that they will also dive right inside it and know how we can secure our WhatsApp account from hackers or scammers. First of all, let's enable two-factor authentication. What is the use of two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. So let's follow the step and enable it. First of all, open your WhatsApp account. Go to settings, then account. Now tap on two-factor authentication or 2FA. Enable it and follow the instruction. Remember to create a 6-digit code that you will never share it with anyone, and also you can add your email to it. That will help you. Even when you forget your PIN, the email will help you to recover the account. Number 2, set up a strong screen lock or a screen pattern. On your WhatsApp account, yes, your phone might have a screen lock or a password on it, but your WhatsApp account must be secured, so you have to set up a password or a pattern on it. That is how you use to protect your WhatsApp at the first phase of security. Now let's go to the third one. Enable fingerprint or face ID for your WhatsApp account. Nowadays, WhatsApp has made it to advance that you can enable fingerprint or face ID aside having a pattern on your WhatsApp account. So this is how you can set the fingerprint or the face ID. Now go straight to settings, go to account, privacy, tap on fingerprint lock or face ID. Now turn it on. This will help you to protect your WhatsApp account from hackers. Anyone can take your WhatsApp, but they cannot have the access with it. And this also help you even when the person know the pattern or the screen lock for your WhatsApp account. Without their face ID or the fingerprint sensor, they cannot get access to your WhatsApp account. The fourth one is keep your WhatsApp account update or update your WhatsApp account. This can be done through you going to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to check whether an update is available so that you will update it. And also you can set an auto update for your WhatsApp account so that whenever there is an update you will automatically update it. Fifth one is to check for active devices and season. Now let's go straight to open your WhatsApp account, go to settings. Now go to link devices. When you visit link devices, check whether your device has been linked to any device. If your device has been linked to any device and you see that this is not your doing, do well to log it out and update your WhatsApp account. This is the top 5 major steps. So this is the first part of our WhatsApp security video, the top 5. Do well to follow up and subscribe so that when you drop the part 2, you'll get to watch it. I go by the name Koscyber. Stay safe and stay informed. See you in our next video. Subscribe, like, comment. Alhamdulillah.